Hey guys, Ashley here and welcome back to a brand new video, and welcome if you are new here. Today I am going to be cleaning my bathroom and my kitchen. So if you need some motivation to clean anything in your house today, guys, this will help you out. And our channel also has tons and tons of cleaning motivation. All types, deep cleaning, extreme cleaning, regular cleaning, routine clean, we have it for you. And when I mean we, that means I share this channel with my twin sister Courtney, so you get two different houses, guys, on one channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get all the notifications. That way you know we uploaded a brand new video. Well, I'm giving you guys an overview of today's my bathroom today. And you know, it doesn't seem that bad, but it does need a good scrub down. My bathroom, my house in general doesn't have the best lighting, so I try to give you guys we try to give you guys the best possible angles, up closes, befores and afters, and all that jazz. So I just got done giving you guys the overview, so I'm going to start out by getting these bath mats out of here. And then I love to start with the sink area. It's just my straight go-to area, because that is honestly the most area that collects the most stuff. So I'm just going to put everything away, throw things away, and start over here. I do hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and share it out to family, friends, social media, and let's get to starting and get this music going.
Can't stop thinking of you. I swear it's true. I just can't help it. I just can't take 1 second far from you, baby. Tell me if you feel it too. Just tell me you feel it too, and I'll be alright. I'll be alright. I'll be alright. I'll be alright. I'll be there for you. It's you can't take what's you. There for you. It's you can't take what's real. There for you. It's you can't take what's you. There for you. It's you can't take what's real. Can't stop thinking of you. I swear it's true. I just can't help it. I just can't take 1 second far from you, baby. Tell me if you feel it too.
So what I'm using in this bottle is Pine Sol, not the one that was recalled, like the lemon scent, the lavender scent, and all that jazz. Mine's just a regular original scented Pine Sol. I love this stuff, guys. You should really look into it. But I got everything scrubbed down in the sink area, even the cupboards of the sink and the mirror and all that jazz, so everything's nice and shiny and smells good. So we moved onto the toilet area. All I did was spray it down with the Pine Sol, add my Great Value Walmart gel toilet bowl cleaner, which I use everywhere in this bathroom. That's why you don't see me like stick that not jar but the bottle like around the rim, like where it's touching the toilet, because I like to use this for my shower because it tends to get moldy. It's not leveled in there. But I figured for anybody new here, I'd rather introduce myself. I introduce myself. My name is Ashley. I have 2 boys, an 11-year-old and a 2-year-old, which you might hear in the background right now with his toy. But I've been in this rental for, oh God, quite a few years, about 7 or give or take. And I've been with my significant other since high school, since I was 15 years old. I know, a long time. And no, we are not married, but we basically live like we are. This house is a rental. I do not own this house, but one day in the future I will. But I think that's about it for now about myself. But if you want to know anything else, please let me know in the comment section down below.
Yo, is this on?
Your parents love me. You don't want me, trust me. I promise I'll lead you astray. Yeah, we are something, and I want something. Back in your basement, hometown, yeah, baby, I'm wasted on you. That we tasted. 1, 2, yeah, baby, I'm faded. Baby, I'm faded. Back in your basement, hometown, yeah, baby, I'm wasted. On you, not that we tasted. 1, 2, yeah, baby, I'm faded. Baby, I'm faded off of you. I want my hand as your necklace. You got my heart on your checklist, girl. I know that this is reckless. Is it wrong that I want you, girl? What a dream, what a dream, what a dream. Oh, shit. Yeah, Freckle girl, you're a queen, you're a queen. Yeah, I'm a hopeless romantic. Hope you don't take me for granted. Better not leave me here stranded. I wanna be yours. Back in your basement, hometown, yeah, baby, I'm wasted. On you, not that we tasted. 1, 2, yeah, baby, I'm faded. Baby, I'm faded. Back in your basement, hometown, yeah, baby, I'm wasted. On you.
So I'm just going to go in with some Dawn dish soap and that bleach cleaner I was telling you about earlier to scrub down the shower.
Baby, I'm wasted. On you, not that we tasted. 1, 2, yeah, baby, I'm faded. Baby, I'm faded. Back in your basement, hometown, yeah, baby, I'm wasted. On you, not that we tasted. 1, 2, yeah, baby, I'm faded. Baby, I'm faded off of you.
I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love for you. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love for you. I will. I'm waiting for the touch. For the touch. The touch. The touch. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love for you. I will. I'm waiting for the touch. For the touch. The touch. The touch. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love for you. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love for you.
What I'm doing now is I'm just taking my mop and just wiping everything down, basically sweeping the floors with the microfiber on here, making everything nice and dry so that way I can wring this out and place it back on and then actually mop the floors with the pine soil and water. But I like to use very hot water. But I'm obsessed with this mop, guys. If you haven't known it yet, I've been talking and raving about it. I got it at the Dollar Tree. And if you haven't checked it out, guys, and you need something to clean up spills very quickly, go and check it out. It is worth every single penny. But yeah, I'm just basically sweeping the floors, getting it kind of cleaned up a little bit. And then I wring it out, clean it, and wring it out again. And then I go in with the pine sol.
Blindsided, worlds collided. You had me from hello till you came in focus. I barely noticed that I was all alone. One night, one kiss, now I'm center. Got you in true color, like a tattoo on my mind.
All right, here is the clean overview, guys. Look at how shiny and clean everything is. It smells amazing in here. Oh my goodness. Just watching this overview, I wish my bathroom still looked like this. We all know how long that's gonna stay like that for. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a nice clean overview, up close and personal, basically, to show you how clean everything got. And then we move on to cleaning my kitchen.
Had a little and I want a lot. I want a lot, please don't keep me waiting. I've only had a taste of
For anybody new here, I just like to quickly announce that on the sink area, the left side is the clean side, the right side is the dirty side of my sink. I do not have much counter space. That is why I do not have a dish drying rack. But I just got everything put away, and everything that needs to get thrown away is thrown away. So I just sprayed everything down with the Pine Sol, and now I'm just giving it a nice wipe down, a little bit of a scrub here and there. And then we move on to cleaning the dishes and obviously putting the clean ones away first.
I was desperate when I met you, and you'd been hurt before. I saw my soul in you reflecting. Guess we're sailing the same course. No highs but lows, nowhere to go. We got no harbor to come back to. Goodbyes run cold, no antidote. If you're like me, you'll need a rescue. I guess you're lonely, I'm lonely too. Know what it's like to walk in your shoes. I know it's hard to get on your groove. So when you're lonely, I'll rescue you. You rescue me, I'll rescue you. You rescue me, I'll rescue you. You rescue me, I'll rescue you. Make it if we stand together. If I have you as my friend, we'll make it through the stormy weather, and we'll both get to dry land. No highs but lows, nowhere to go. We got no harbor to come back to. Goodbyes run cold, no antidote. If you're like me, you'll need a rescue. I guess you're lonely, I'm lonely too. Know what it's like to walk in your shoes. I know it's hard to get on your groove. So when you're lonely, I'll rescue you. You rescue me, I'll rescue you. I'll rescue. I'll rescue. I'll rescue. You rescue me, I'll rescue you.
Okay guys, and that will wrap it up for today's video. I'm giving you an overview once more of everything being all nice and clean in the kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me today on cleaning my house, getting it all nice and tidied up for the day. I do want to say thank you for sticking to the end also. It means more than you guys will ever know. And don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share it out to family and friends, and I will see you guys next week.
Born to be streamlined, movement, control, lost it, out of the streamlight, unlocked.